everybody, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing another slime challenge with my special guest. Her name is Allison.
Hi!
And we're going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. And so we're using the contact lens solution way and baking soda way. But the rules are we have to make slime blindfolded, and when we think we're done we have to ring this lame bell. And then we have to take our blindfolded off, and if it's really sticky still, then we lose. And it's okay if the other person is still working on theirs because they might win. So, yeah. So, let's get started.
What if it gets on your hands again?
Then you lose. Okay. Now, let's put on our blindfolded on. Can you see anything?
Nope.
How many fingers am I holding?
5.
Okay, do it to me.
How many fingers am I holding up?
6?
Nope.
Oh, dang it.
10.
Oh, what? Okay, let's get started.
Wait.
What?
So you said wait, so you think that I have 6 fingers.
Okay, let's just
Where are you?
Is that an Okay. So now let's get started. Hey, marks. Get set. Go. Where's the glue? No. This is the glue.
Oh wait,
There's
baking
the
soda.
cap.
Baking soda. No. Where the heck did it
Baking
go?
soda.
Oh.
Fix it. I don't know if I'm doing this. Okay. Here, what? Oh, yeah. Food coloring. Food coloring. I hope this is pink. I can't open this.
I hope this is blue.
Where's the ball? Okay. I'm doing 5 drops. Woo! I don't know what I'm doing. What step are you on?
Contact lenses.
What?
Oh, it's a really
And we're
pretty
making
black
normal
color.
slime.
It's a really pretty black color. It's because I'm closing my eyes.
Wow.
This is probably like pink or something.
Why did I close it? Okay. I don't know if it's slime yet.
Me neither.
Oh, my hands are tired.
What is this? This is my old slime?
What?
Ooh, okay, let's use this. Must be shaving.
I don't know if I'm getting the contact lens solution in the bowl or out of the bowl.
Right?
My hand is tired.
Oh, what's this? Okay, let's add this.
Ugh. Nope, it's not slime yet.
I've already tried touching it. What about you?
I just touched it once. And it's still not slime. What happened?
I hurt my hand.
I'm
Where's the
not
contact
sure if this is working. Yeah, it's still sticky. I don't really know how much I poured in.
Oh, right here.
I don't know if I poured in all the glue out of the bottle. Ugh. Are you close to being done?
Yes. What about you?
Yeah, I just need to have more contact on the solution.
Oh, wait. Did I add more glue?
What?
I think I added more glue on accident. Now let's put some on my hand.
I really hope that this is not blue, because I don't want
Right?
to lose.
I don't want blue slime. I mean, I don't want
What?
I don't want pink slime. I meant because, like, you know.
Are you already using your hands?
Yes.
What? I'm not even. So sticky.
I think I added more glue that last time.
Ugh. Ow!
Is there hair in my slime? It's just disgusting. I think I'm done. What?
You are? Okay, you can stop now.
I look like a goblin.
This is the ball. Something's touching me!
Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands because I have like what pink on me. Kristine, you grabbed the wrong one.
Sure I did.
That's sad. I can't believe you got the wrong one.
I got the pink, I know.
No, you did not. You stop lying. Stop lying.
Okay. Oh, yes, stop lying. You're lying. You're the one who's lying.
Mine's not hard.
No, see mine. Mine's horrible.
No, it is not. At least you got the right color.
Okay. And the winner is, drumroll please, Kristine! No, it's you. It's Allison!
Thank you. Yours is better.
It's Allison! So,
Yeah, but yours feels better than mine.
it's Allison! So comment down below, who do you think who has better slime, mine or hers?